So how long will your workers' compensation case take when you've been injured on the job in South Carolina? Well, there's no one answer to that question. It really has a lot to do with how well you recover from your injuries and how fast the medical treatment takes place to heal you from your injuries. If your injury, at the beginning of the case, you'll see some fireworks where you're filing the claim and you're letting the insurance company know what's going on and getting the medical treatment started and your weekly checks started. But once that gets started, really the doctor is the star of the show, because he or she is going to recommend medical treatment, whether it be physical therapy or whether it be work hardening or whether it be repeat office visits or, God forbid, surgery. You're going to go through that medical treatment. When the doctor decides that you are finished with that medical treatment and you're at what's called maximum medical improvement, and we'll discuss that in more detail in another video, but when you've reached that plateau, it's not that you're all better from your injuries, but that you've reached a plateau and they don't think you're going to get really any better or any worse, then that doctor will release you and give you an impairment rating likely in your case. When that is done, then you can move for a final resolution of your case. And while you could move and settle your case before reaching the end of your medical treatment, that would not be a good idea, because after all, how could you possibly know what the extent of your damages are until you've completed the medical treatment and you've been advised by your doctor what those permanent damages are? So how long will it take has a lot to do with how fast you heal up during that healing up period. When you are healed up, released by the doctor, you can then move to resolve your case through settlement or through an award in front of a South Carolina Workers' Compensation Commissioner.
Injured at work? Time to call your lawyers. Time to call Howell and Christmas. Call Law 0123 now. Law 0123